Hi there, and welcome to Cluster Repairs UK, the UK's home for all instrument cluster repairs, servicing and spares. On today's repair service description video, we're working on the Fiat 500 full digital instrument cluster, found in models from 2014 to 2023. If you're experiencing issues like cracked screens, white displays, distorted colours or missing graphics, you've come to the right place. As you can see, this instrument cluster is suffering from missing graphics and a damaged display. With over 40 years of experience, we provide fast, cost-effective repairs with a lifetime warranty. As you can see from results after the repair, the instrument cluster is now like brand new. The results are crystal clear. On all our repairs, we only use top-quality parts from authorized European distributors, ensuring your cluster looks and works as good as buying a new original part. Our premium repair service is recognized for award-winning customer care. You can book your repair online, send your cluster via mail, drop it off in person, or schedule a walk-in appointment. If you have any questions, just click the Ask Seller a Question button below or send us an email. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.